Greetings to everyone, including Bob and Sam here. This hip stretch I'm going to show is a simple solution for unlocking that hip joint, and it can be done in a seated position. Hold on in 9.3 seconds.
I'm curious to see this.
Absolutely, but we're going to use Sam here to show you a little education on why it works.
Go ahead.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right. Okay, let's look at the hip joint. And we've got the ball, we got the acetabulum or the socket. And what we want to do is keep that joint mobile and free as possible. It helps pain, helps your flexibility with function.
It might help arthritis.
As well as arthritis. And if we look at this hip on Sam, it actually has some of the connective tissue. You have ligaments, you have muscles, we have a capsule which surrounds it. And what we need to do is stretch that in a way that it's safe, as well as get some flexibility in there to get rid of that pain and do what we need to do. So I'll show you how to do it in 1.3 seconds. I'm just kidding. We'll be right back. All right, to stretch your hip out using this technique, there's a few things that need to be done. One is you need to have shorts on or something so you can get to bare skin, and you'll see why in just a minute. The next thing, it should be completely pain-free. You're only going to do this if it feels like a good, healthy stretch. It feels good. Any pain, you stop doing it. Exactly right. The next thing is you really have to learn to relax your hip and your leg, otherwise it won't be effective. You'll take a little practice for some people, but you'll get it, don't worry. And one other thing is you may actually get the hip to cavitate, in other words,
or pop.
A little pop. It's normal, it's just like cracking your fingers or your shoulder, your back, but the hip could pop. Doesn't have to, you can still get good benefits without it.
Right.
Again, it's important, no pain with this.
Don't look for the pop.
Exactly right. You don't have to pop to make it feel good.
Right.
Again, we're going to do the stretch in a seated position, probably best on a firm upright chair with some armrests. You don't have to. Bob's going to do it here on the edge of the massage table. Again, bare skin works the best, and you'll see why in just a minute. Bob's going to do it with his pants on. So the first thing you do is a figure 4 position, and I like to actually take my sock and make sure I go skin to skin because your skin kind of grips, and that's helpful so it doesn't slide off. And the next thing, the first thing you do is going to push straight down. This is a stretch we've promoted for years now. It's a nice activity that releases the hip so that you can simply put your socks on or your shoes on, and it's just a great way to get that hip lubrication moving. So do that 3 to 5 times, just like we're doing here. And now this is the key. This is the extra trick on it. Hands like this around your thigh or up towards your knee. You're going to push down. Now, this is where you need to take a breath. Take a deep breath in. Relax everything, all your muscles, everything. Imagine it being like butter on a hot summer day on a picnic table. Everything relaxes and melts. Ooh, nice job, Bob. And then you're going to push down and out, and we're actually putting traction through that joint. Again, no pain. If there is pain, stop. This is not for you. This should feel good.
You're right. It does not work with pants.
Yeah, see, with pants.
I'm going to take them off.
No, Bob, we don't want to scare people. So it's here, and I'm getting good grip on my skin. I'm relaxing, and I'm getting that pull. Big difference between pushing down and the traction versus just down. So that's the trick. You're going to do that 2 or 3 times. It may pop, it may not.
I think I heard
it. One way or another. And this is something you can do throughout the day. Make sure you do both legs as long as they're both pain-free and it feels good. And again, you can try it through your pants. It will not work as good as on your skin. So if you're doing this at work, you got to take your pants off. People work at home all the time. If you got shorts, it works out good. So again, good luck with this one. I think you're going to feel a nice, pleasant surprise in the hip and feel looser. So be careful. And Bob, what say you?
Keep the hip going.
Yeah. We're hip on the hip.
Yeah, there we go.